How to set custom themes in Todoist. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you the steps on how you can set custom theme in Todoist. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go through this video. In order to create a custom theme in Todoist, first you'll have to access your Todoist here on either the application or web browser. You can see I'm on app.todoist.com here. Once you're logged into your account, towards the bottom left corner, you can see Help and Resources option. Click on it and then click on the option here that says Add Integrations. Once you select Add Integrations, you'll be on the settings page, on the integrations page. However, here what you want to do is you want to head into theme option. The other way is you can click on your profile icon at the top left corner and then you can proceed to click on settings and then proceed to theme as well. So you have two different ways to access this. Then here down below, you can towards the upper thing, you can see sync theme option. Personalize your Todoist with colors to match your style, mood, and personality. You can also enable or disable dark mode. You can see other themes here for Todoist, Tangerine, Moonstone, and such. However, if you want custom theme, then you can see unlock more themes. You can upgrade it and you can proceed to use custom themes here. To use your own theme, you can simply use the sync theme option and sync it with the device. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.